Hello guys, this is Yang from Shiny 3D. This is our new scanner, EinScan HX2. Let's take a look what's inside the box. First of all is our scanner. Compared with the former one, it increases the laser number and the scanning speed. Next is the power and the data cable. And here's the cable clips. And here's a USB drive which contains the software and the user manual. Here's the power and the backup plugs. Whenever you are, you can always find one fit you. And here's some markers. On the bottom of the box is our calibration board. And that's all we had in the box.